So you might be having an issue on your iPhone where you're getting this little pop-up that says this accessory may not be supported. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, and it's a very common issue. The very first thing that I would probably recommend doing, though, is to make sure that your specific iPhone doesn't actually have that accessory plugged into a wet charging port or to a broken iPhone charging port. Sometimes if it's an actual Apple accessory, that can also cause some issues, and it's a very common issue. So what I would recommend doing is grabbing that specific plug, just making sure you're not plugging it into a wet charging port or to a charging port that has been, messed up, or maybe you dropped it in water or something like that, and making sure it's a dried out charging port. That is number one. Now, number two, you may also just want to make sure that your iPhone is actually updated. If your iPhone is a very old iPhone or it hasn't been updated in years or a long time, sometimes the accessory that you may be plugging in may be a new accessory, like a charging case or some other things, and maybe those things aren't suitable on that version of software. You have to be on the latest software version. So what I would recommend doing is going through into your iPhone settings, going into General, which is right here, going and clicking on Software Update, and just seeing if there's an update available for your iPhone. Now you can see for me, I do not have available update because I am updated on the latest version. So just go through, update on the latest version of software, and that might end up fixing the situation as well. Now another thing you can do is to just quickly, if there's no update available or anything, just power off your phone and power it back on. So hold down the buttons to power down your phone, power it off, power it back on, and that may end up fixing the situation as well. Now on top of that, you may also get into a situation where the accessory might be the problem. So what I would recommend doing at that point, if it's an accessory or whatever you're using or whatever, just go through, plug it in properly, and make sure that the accessory isn't the issue, because most of the time if you're plugging something like this in, that can probably be the issue. So if you have a dongle like this and it's set into like 2 or 3 different things and you're plugging it in like that, that can also cause some issues too. So that may be why it's happening. If it's still not working, you may just want to make sure that accessory is suitable for your iPhone, and you may just want to go through that direction as well. So those are some ways to fix it. If it's still not working, you can try checking out that accessory, making sure there's nothing wrong with that accessory too. But those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.